I'll record it. Yeah.
Oh,
So I guess
yeah.
recording is in progress. Sneha from your end?
Yeah, done.
Okay. So today we will be discussing the most trending topic about Bharatiya Antariksh station and as well as the Raptor engines in Starship. So why did I combine these two topics together? Because they are a stepping stone in the human advancement towards colonizing Mars or other planets or even exploring more. So Bharatiya Antarikshan and Starship, if they both collaborate together, we will definitely have a very good backend to analyze and go to other planets to establish our base or colonize there. So basic information about BSA. We'll start with BSA and then we'll go on with Starship. BSA is basically our Bharatiya Antariksh station, and it is 52 tons weight, and previously it was supposed to be launched by 2030, but now it is but now it is postponed to 2035 because of the current Gaganyaan technical errors which they had, as well as not only that, the COVID pandemic which we had. So due to that, there is some dilation, but to make sure that the progress is going on, from 2028, we would be launching our module one to the like starting up the actual BSS establishment in the space. Now, further, I would like to ask you all on this what and all information you have collected. What do you want to discuss? And then I'll have some questions on this to discuss upon. So, can we proceed with the Yash? Because he has done his MSc, so he has a lot of knowledge about it, and I truly respect in that sense. Yes, yes.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. The topic which you just said, I don't have any knowledge on it. Okay, so if you want, I can tell other things, but
Yeah, related to it, whatever you have completed your MSc, so you might have much knowledge than us.
no, it's not like that. So we are here for collaboration. So we are, I feel everyone on the same platform. What I know about it. Okay, so okay, I can tell a basic things about currently I am associated with a student space group. It's named Ben, and we are building a rocket to launch up to Kármán line, that is 100 kilometer. Currently, we build a rocket to launch up to 10 kilometer, and 2 weeks before we have went to US. I have not visited there, but my team has visited US to launch it, and we were able to achieve an altitude of 2.5 kilometer around. Now we are targeting for 100 kilometers, and in that I am in the department of avionics. Avionics means a department which is responsible for electronics hardware and electronics software. I am mostly into electronics software, and the software is called GNC, guidance navigation and control. So it guides the satellite to where to go, and it looks where is the satellite heading and where it has to go, and controlling means how it has to go. So this is the basic of what I am working on GNC, and I'm doing programming on C++. Yeah, that's it. So if anyone on the similar domain, so we can collaborate together. Thank you.
Great to
That's
hear it. Yes, sir.
now,
Actually,
yes.
we are learning C language now. So we were advised to learn it very well because it's the basic of the programming languages, and all logic will be implemented on it. So we will try our level best to reach your level, and we'll love to collaborate with you guys also.
Yeah, I see. As I already said that no one is on higher level. I means you can think we all at same level. At that level only, it is easier to share the ideas. And yes, C is very useful. And if you might know the C is somewhat middle layer programming. It's not high level
Yeah,
programming.
yeah.
And C is quite used. C and C++. I also worked some years on C. Now I'm migrating into C++.
Okay. So Sneha, can we like now can you give your discussion or your points on this BSA? Sorry, BAS.
Yes, Prachina. So the thing is, I'm really happy that we are building our own station. So it is a very, it is on another level to think of because our country and it's representing ours. And we also heard NASA's one is they are going to disassemble it in 2030, right? Like sending into the ocean to the Nemo point. They will, you know make it damaged there. So the thing is, it's very interesting because by the time we graduate we might have even more opportunities to go on and join there, to be a part of that mission is very interesting, right? And also exhilarating. The thing is, this mission is very important because to conduct any experiments related to interplanetary missions or to go on and occupy many other planets like Mars, Jupiter, to go on explore and to also explore more on our moon itself, to know origin of ourselves and many other things. This space station is very useful because we can conduct many experiments. We can also send our pilots and I meant and biomonauts, and we can also conduct many science experiments, how life will be growing on there and how life will evolve there, and what will be the changes in our DNA or any related to science or biology. So we can also expect a growth in biologists and agricultural scientists and who are also interested in space. We can see a lot of major upcomings in space related field because of our station, and I would love to be a part of this one day. Hope I could go on and work on with it. So yeah, that's what I think.
So as
Thank
Sneha
you.
mentioned about ISS, you mentioned right, they will dismantle it by
Yeah,
2020.
yeah.
So what I would like to ask Vivek on this, his views on what is the difference between ISS and Bharatiya Antariksh Station. Why actually we are destroying something which is established much more in the past, and it has a good, what to say, catch or a platform in the space. So when we are destroying ISS, what is the actual difference or what are the advantages we are giving for building BSA? Do you have any idea on this, Vivek?
Yeah, actually, I have one point on this. We are destroying ISS, and NASA is trying to build a space station on Moon's orbit. So there will be no initiation by any country till now for any further space station for all countries in our Earth's orbit itself. So it's a good opportunity for ISRO to move into this and put the idea forward for leadership kind of thing for all the space agencies.
Yeah.
And I agree with everything what Sneha says. So I'm leaving the introductory part. And one more thing I want to mention about is there's a point which figure out the correlation between SpaceX and this BAS program itself. It's not about Raptor engine, but Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. So as we all know that our BAS is modular spacecraft program. So they will be needing more and more rockets to launch its single modules. And like the first module is proposed to be launched in 2028 and further on. So I read one report from ISRO that the module which is going to be launched in 2028 is to be launched from PSL, think LVM Mark III rocket, and further on it is trying to develop a reusable rocket like Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. So it might be helpful to like collaborate with SpaceX on that, because SpaceX has already done it.
Yes, that's also a point to be focused upon about the SpaceX part on ISRO's BSA, and plus the Starship which they are building. The reusable, they can actually, Starship are reusable as we all know, and that would save a lot of cost as well as help us to take a larger payload to the space within that rocket. That's a additional point, which is space. That's why there's a collaboration between BSA and, I'm sorry, not Space Stars, SpaceX and ISRO. So, Ayush, would you like to give some points on this, or Prashant, whoever wants to go ahead? Oh, okay. So we'll continue. So when actually BAS has 5 modules, and when I was researching about it, I got a question like, now India is building its own space station in space. Previously, it was ISS collaboration with many of the countries together. Now it is India's building, but there are many hands behind India also. But what will happen if every country like this wants its own space station, and like says that this is, I also want to construct a space station as like what India has constructed. So what are your views on it? Will this happen, or will there would be a collaboration within India and other countries?
Okay, can I take this topic? Yeah. So the thing is, let's suppose we have already sent Bharatiya Antariksha space station into the space, and like, maybe other country, for example, country X is also trying for it. So country X was, uh, it has some problem in one thing, so it was not able to launch. So country Y saw that, and it took it as an advantage. Okay, so it goes on like this. I feel that if country, our country, country X, country Y, country Z, and so on, if everyone keep on sending their space stations there, it'll be like so crowded. We also have heard about this space traffic, right? Like how traffic jam is in our vehicles on the road. There will also be space traffic, so it would be really hard to control because we have to track many very very small pieces, which will be floating around there, like even small pieces of metal also will damage the biggest parts of the mission, like it may even rupture the whole engine or the whole space shuttle, because it might be damaged, like they are worth of millions of dollars, right? And suppose I would think it's best for countries to collaborate, so it'll also increase their economy, and it'll also increase the strength and dependence and trust on each country, and it'll also increase a harmonious or a togetherness feeling with many other countries. So it feels like we are brotherhood or sisterhood, like that. So it'd be best if all the scientists in our world share their ideas, come together, build one thing which would be very useful for human beings and all the nature present. So it would be a very good idea if it was sustainable and all would collaborate together. So always collaboration is the best thing, like sharing is caring, like sharing
Yeah,
our
that's
space
what.
station.
When I was researching, it shows that our Bharatiya Antariksh station would be inclined by 51.6 degrees, so as to like America, Japan, Russia, and ESA can receive the information which they want, or can help out in as well, help out India as well. So that's a good thing. They are focusing not only on us. India is collaborating with others, and not only that. While coming to Raptor engine, one of the things which I learned, like I got the knowledge from, is that in Raptor engine, actually they have a very high temperature. Like the engine will go to a very high temperature, and how do they actually, lower down that temperature? Do you any of you have idea about it, or shall I go ahead? Vivek,
Yeah,
what
you
about
can
you?
go ahead.
Yeah, I have a little bit of idea about.
Yeah, okay, you can go ahead, then I'll add a few points to it.
Yeah, I have a little bit idea about it. I think the supercooled fuel which is present in the storage of the rocket, it goes down through a turbine and moves in the outer part of the like main rocket boosters through a very narrow pipes or something like that to cool out the engine. I'm not like remembering the actual scientific procedure for that, but it's something like that.
Okay. Yash, do you know about it? No? Okay, so I'll go ahead. What I got to know about it is that basically in Raptor engine, we use liquid methane and liquid oxygen as the propellant and oxidizer. So what we do to cool down the temperature is that when this before the engine ignites, we actually send this liquid methane over the engine as to cool down the temperature of it. So this is a simultaneous process which is going on in the Raptor engine, and this liquid engine itself acts as a cooling for the so liquid methane itself acts as a cooling for the engine, as well as providing the propellant source which they require. So that's what I got to know about it. And we also have one more participant with us, Maheshwar. Can you?
मैं बस अर्जुमन.
Yeah, sorry, I pronounced it wrong.
Nothing happens. Hello everyone.
Hello. Okay, so can you go ahead with what you have learned, or what ideas you want to present over here about BSA and Starship, Raptor engine, something related to that?
Sorry, recently I have joined now. I'm just bringing my notebook and I'll give you all the details, okay? Prachi, you are mute.
Yeah, sorry. So this meeting will end within 7 minutes. So we have time constraint also. Any one of you wants to share something else also which you learned or might have came across? Anyone?
Hey, it would be just a few minutes, so I'll just talk about our Gaganyaan. The thing is, Gaganyaan has like
One
few
second,
issues.
Sneha.
Yeah,
Vivek, you also wanted to you want to share something? You might have prepared something. Yeah,
Yeah, I have a preposition on your previous question that what
yeah.
will happen if
Go
some
ahead.
countries come forward to say that I will have a space station in space.
Hmm.
So I was saying that there are only major 5 to 6 government organizations which has the capability to do that, and only 2 to 3 private organizations which can do that. So in total it's 8 to 9 people only, and I don't think these 8 to 9 people will ever do this kind of thing, like okay, I am going to do a space station for myself, like that in 1960s, which wasted a lot of resources that we all know, and it is also known as space race. So I don't think that these 8 to 9 organizations are going to do anything which will harm themselves also. Wastage of resources.
Okay, so like we are safe now. As Vivek told, nobody will
Yes.
interrupt, but we can actually collaborate to help each other as well as to gather data. And Sneha, you were talking something. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, I'm really excited for our Gaganyaan mission. So, like, imagine ourselves instead of the like astronauts present there. So it would be very exhilarating, and I guess it would be a success, and we'll also make it as big as Chandrayaan 3. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
indeed, that's for sure. That will
yeah.
happen because now the
Mm,
training is going on. I recently
mm.
saw Shubham sir in ESA, European Space,
Oh yeah.
taking like learning what and all is required.
Mm,
So
yes.
yes, are you ready? Uh,
Yeah.
yeah,
I'm having few questions. Like recently, I have saw yesterday a news about BAS. Like everyone us all know that ISRO is designing BAS, Bharatiya Antariksh Station, like ISS. So it's gonna orbit Earth or a moon.
no, it's going to orbit Earth above like 400 kilometers from Earth's surface. So it's going
So
to yeah.
in
Go
one
ahead.
of a page, the news was fake. I'll share with you a screenshot with that.
Okay, okay. So
Okay.
actually it's going to orbit Earth, and not only that, it's not going to help only India but others also. As I already mentioned when you were not there in the meet, it has an
Okay.
inclination of 51.6 degree, which will help others countries like America, Japan, European Space Station to gather the data and as well as send the required data to India also.
Okay. Okay.
Any other
So
thing?
like we are having our own ISS, like ISS,
Yeah.
BAS. So we can experiment over there.
Yes, it has laboratory as well as scientific research place. It has basically five modules that is divided into different places in that. What and all we'll be doing it and what and all we'll have in that. So as
Only India will. Okay.
for every compartment, they have different solar panels. Plus,
Okay. Okay.
but for there's a compartment called as common working model, which don't have its own solar panel. It would be working based upon the other solar panels.
Okay.
So yes,
So only India is contributing in that. No international countries like ISS.
no. There is like back support from SpaceX also. They are recently from Falcon 9 we launched our payload.
Ah,
There is
yes.
back end support. It's not only India, but there are many collaboration going on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Anything else? We'll have 3 minutes. Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. No, I don't have anything. Yeah, but it's nice to engage with you all, and you can call me. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So we'll end this here. What? Anything else from Ayush Mishra or Prashant? I really don't know. Like I'm calling them with their names. Ayush Mishra and Prashant. No, Vivek.
No.
No, okay. So we are good to go, good to end this meet within 2 minutes. It was nice talking to you all, and at least we have gathered some information today. We built new connections with Yash, and actually, I can't pronounce your name. What's your name?
Yeah, I can understand. Everyone faces that problem. I
Yeah.
can understand.
So
It's
we got a
Mehvesh
new
Arjuman.
connection.
Huh.
Arju? Arjuman.
Mehvesh Arjuman. Ha, right.
Arjuman. So it was
Yeah.
nice connecting to both of you. Hope so we'll stay connected and in future discussion we will be together because previously we three were there, Vivek, Sneha and me. Now we all will discuss it together, whatever we want, whenever you want.
Uh,
Just DM me.
may I know you all?
Yeah, sure. I am Prachi Verma. I'm first year ECE student in VIT Chennai and my native is Delhi. Sneha?
Okay.
Hi. Hi, Ajuman. I'm Sneha. I'm studying first year in RVR and JC College, majoring in ECE department, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Hello, my name is Vivek and I've completed my 12th this year.
I'm Mehvesh Arjuman. I'm currently in 11th standard preparing for a JE and I'm from Nagpur.
Okay. So then,
Hello everyone.
yeah.
This is Ayush here from IIT Madras, third year
Oh.
student.
Nice to meet you, Ayush.
I'm hi. I'm from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. So we'll meet again in another
Okay.
discussion. Hope so we'll discuss and learn more. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
See you again.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye
Bye bye.
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Nice to
Thank
meet
Thank
you
you,
you.
all.
everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.